Ramen is a noodle dish that is popular in Japan and has become popular all over the world. There are many different types of ramen, with each region of Japan having its own unique version. Ramen can be made from wheat flour or rice flour and typically contains eggs, vegetables, and meat or seafood. Ramen varieties. There are three main types of ramen: miso ramen, shoyu ramen, and tonkatsu ramen. Miso ramen is made with a miso broth and usually contains pork, bamboo shoots, and bean sprouts. Shoyu ramen is made with a soy sauce broth and usually contains chicken or pork. Tonkatsu ramen is made with a pork bone broth and usually contains chashu, pork belly, nori, seaweed, menma, bamboo shoots, and egg. There are also many different variations of these three main types of ramen. For example, there is a type of shoyu ramen called koteri shoyu which has a richer soy sauce broth than regular shoyu ramen. And there is a type of tonkatsu ramen called mazamen which uses less soup than traditional tonkatsu ramen. Ramen can be dressed up or down depending on your occasion. Add some boiled eggs, green onions, and nori seaweed for a healthy and tasty breakfast. Or top your ramen with chicken, shrimp, pork tenderloin, or beef for a more hearty meal. And don't forget the chili oil or soy sauce for extra flavor. Ramen is the perfect food because it is affordable, versatile, and delicious. So next time you are looking for a quick and easy meal solution, reach for some ramen noodles.